Hey Wallet Hubbers, today we're talking about whether collision insurance is the same thing as full coverage. The short answer is no. Collision insurance is a component of full coverage, but it is not the same thing as a full coverage policy. Let's go over a few key differences between collision insurance and full coverage insurance. First, collision insurance only covers your own vehicle damage if you cause an accident. Full coverage insurance, on the other hand, typically covers you in any sort of accident because it usually includes collision insurance, comprehensive insurance, and any sort of coverage required by your state's laws. Similarly, collision insurance never includes types of coverage like liability insurance, personal injury protection, or uninsured motorist coverage, while a full coverage policy often does. Also, because collision is often just a part of full coverage insurance tends to be much more expensive than collision insurance alone. However, there is one thing that collision insurance and full coverage have in common. They are never required by states' laws, though lenders or lessors may require full coverage on financed vehicles. Now that you have an idea of the differences between full coverage and collision insurance, it's time to start shopping for a policy. To see Wallet Hub's picks for the cheapest full coverage insurance, just click the button here.